second. It's real. I can't believe you tugged on it. Juliana. Yes. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my bangs today. I've seen a lot of videos, so I think I know what I'm doing. I'm using hair scissors. You know, you can't use like just regular kitchen scissors. Like that's the one thing I learned from all the videos that I watched. I'm gonna take a little comb and I'm gonna part my hair. I'm so nervous. Do a little triangle. Okay. I'm so scared. I don't know, I feel like this is not that even right here. Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Right?
You just pulled them. You left them.
Great.
Let's see.
It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, no, it does actually. Like that little thing.
There we go.
Okay, yes.
There you go.
Right? Oh my god, perfect. Oh my god! Bianca, that's so much hair! Like this, right? Probably. I think so.
It depends on where you want them. Yeah.
I'm just gonna cut a little bit shorter. Alright. Inspiration. This beautiful girl. That's me when I was 6. Yeah, I just want to look like her.
You just have to now, because your hair still used to being parted in the middle, that when you let it go, it parts in the middle.
Oh,
but you can probably blow dry.
Yeah, blow dry it, yeah. We're almost there. Oh my god, I kind of love this. Okay, a little bit shorter, right? Like, this is like all of my eyes.
I think you should blow dry it, because I don't know what it
looks
like.
Oh, true. But they're already kind of blow dried, because I already blow dried my hair.
Snip your finger.
Like, it's like all on my eyes right now, so like, let me not. The really short ones are so cute though, like not on me, obviously. I wouldn't rock
on some people, yeah.
But some people can really rock them. It looks so nice. A little bit more.
Oh my god, Bianca, this looks so
cool. Look.
They look good.
Right? Just so tiny.
a tiny bit.
Tiny bit more.
That's what we keep saying. A little bit more. A little bit more.
It's like it's like I can't really see, you know. I just blow dried them. So I think I'm gonna leave it at this.
No, yeah.
Right, like no more. Oh my god, Bianca.
You look so good. I don't know, I kind of like how they are.
Right? Yeah, I don't want to do anything else.
Oh my god, you look so good.
You think so? This is weird.
You look so good.
Oh my god, I look like a different person, right?
Yes,
like,
but
who is that? Who is that? What? I mean, it's also I'm wearing makeup right now. Like, I'm so scared.
You'll be fine.
She got bangs.
Thanks.
Oh my god. Wow. I'm obsessed. Yes. Like, this is what I needed. That's it. I record my friend's reaction. We're gonna go hang out. Okay, cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pick up our friends right now and we're gonna see what they think of the bangs.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Oh my god. They're probably outside right now. Oh my god. Hey. Look at my hair. Wait a second. It's real. I can't believe you tugged on it. Juliana! Yes! Let me see! They look so good! Are you recording? Is this for your vlog? Oh my god! It looks so cute, Juliana. You have food? What do you want? I want some. Get me some. Please. Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. It looks magic. This is the reactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the little bell and do all that. And this is my first appearance. Yes, this is my best friend. Sabrina. And this is Bianca and then Arlene. And alright.